In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Activity Log in Smartsheet Dashboard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the activity log, how to filter it to the information you need, and how to read the results with confidence. Start on your Smartsheet dashboard. With the dashboard open, look to the top left and click the File button. From that menu, select Activity Log. This opens a compact panel where the filters appear at the top and the results display below. Think of this as your dashboard's timeline. It's a running record of what happened, who did it, and when it occurred. Let's begin with the Action filter. This lets you narrow the log to only the types of changes you care about. For example, you might want to focus on edits, shares, or other updates that matter to your review. Click the Action filter and choose only the actions you want to include. This is especially helpful when you're troubleshooting a change or confirming that a specific kind of update took place. Next, move to the Collaborators section. Here, you can include only specific people so you see just their activity. Add the individuals whose actions you want to track. This is great for isolating work by a particular teammate or confirming whether someone completed an assigned task. Now, set your date range. Pick the time window you want to analyze, maybe today, last week, or a custom start and end date. Tightening the range helps eliminate noise and quickly surfaces the events that matter within that period. When your filters are set, hit Apply. The activity log below will refresh to show only the entries that match your selections. Scan the list to review each event. You'll typically see the timestamp, the person who performed the action type, and context about what changed. If you don't see what you're expecting, broaden your filters or extend the date range and apply again. A quick tip: if the activity log option isn't available, you may need additional permissions to view it on that dashboard. Also, remember that very narrow filters can sometimes return no results, even when activity did occur outside your selected parameters. That's it. Open the dashboard, go to File, choose Activity Log, set your action, collaborators, and date range filters, then apply to view the refined history below. With these filters, you can zero in on exactly the activity you need, faster and with greater clarity.